Hey everyone, today I will show you how to make this beautiful anklet. So let's get started. First, take your yarn and make a slip knot. After that, make 62 chains. Now, skip the first 2 chains and start making half double crochet from the third chain. Continue making half double crochets all the way to the end. Once you reach the end, cut off the yarn and fasten it off. Now take other strand of yarn and thread 10 ghungroos onto it. Now attach this yarn to the first stitch of the half double crochet and do chain 1. Now we have to skip 2 stitches and in the third stitch we will work on. Make 4 double crochets into the same stitch. Now we are doing chain 1, attach the ghungroo, make 2 more chains. After that we have to do a picot stitch. Now 4 more double crochets into the same stitch. Now we have to skip 2 stitches and a slip stitch into the third stitch and make a chain. Again skip 2 stitches and start working from the third chain. Make 4 double crochets. Continue repeating this pattern until you reach the end. When you reach at the end, this is how your patterns looks like. When you reach the last stitch, Then start making 30 chains to create one tie for the anklet. After making 30 chains, slide one ghungru to the end and chain 1, then cut off the yarn. Repeat the same process on the other side also. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like it, then subscribe and comment.